Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Monday, September 29, 2025. Opening brief. What's up fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in travel channel hosting, live from the Lux desk, edges laid, passport heavy. We got fresh travel tea, verified enough to keep lawyers sleepy and you're wide awake. Let's roll. First brief. Gateside, personal item, geometry wars. What happened? Multiple travelers posted clips today showing gate agents asking folks to test bags in the sizer. Some pass, some pay, some plead, standard policy, but the drama beat drama 10. Legal safe frame, policies vary by airline/route, always check official rules and fees before you pack. If you gotta body slam the bag into the box, baby, it's not a personal item, it's a person. Unzip that expansion like you paying rent in there, shrink it, shorty. Second brief. Moving walkway equals runway. Until them heels step out. What happened? Viral traveler in heels stumbles on the moving walkway, no injuries reported in the posted clip, but ego turbulence was severe. Legal safe frame, humor only, don't shame individuals. Remind viewers to hold rails, wear stable shoes when rushing. Fam hit that conveyor like Fashion Week met physics. TSA equals that shoe ankled. Stomp if you want, but them walkways be petty. Third brief. Balcony towel, prank on cruise. Crew says, don't. What happened? A cruise guest towel creature on the balcony spooks neighbors. Crew politely reminds everyone, nothing on rails, safety first. Legal safe frame, quote ship safety guidance broadly, no naming lines/guests. You ain't Michelangelo of the washcloths, bring that creature inside before it sails off solo. If it can blow away, put it away. That's maritime math, baby. Wildcard brief. Slides at the lounge? Nah, fam. What happened? Clean facts. A weekend traveler in beachwear, swimsuit cover-up and slides, tried to enter a major airport lounge. Staff politely declined, citing attire guidelines. She got directed to a nearby restaurant with a food credit instead. Policies differ by lounge brand and access program, dress codes and capacity rules are a thing, always check before you roll up. Baby, the lounge is cappuccino, not cabana. Slides ain't a security clearance, throw on a tee, joggers, and socks and we inside like Wi-Fi. I keep a lounge kit in my tote, hoodie, fuzzy socks, attitude on mute. Why it matters. Lounges can enforce posted rules, attire, capacity, behavior. If you're denied, ask about alternative credits or other partner locations. Keep it respectful, staff decisions stand. Travel tip of the day. Screenshot baggage rules and carry a soft compressible tote. If the sizes say no, you can split the load and keep it pushing. And another quick travel tip. Pack a lightweight tee, joggers, and socks in your personal item. It's a 30-second costume change that turns beach ready into biscotti ready. Fourth brief. Hotel breakfast waffle queue turns congressional. What happened? Morning buffet line forms a whole town hall at the waffle station, staff steps in, restores order, carbs return to circulation. Legal safe frame, general hospitality moment, no brand naming. 2 minutes per waffle, not a filibuster. Pour, flip, exit, next. If you stack 8 toppings, that's a pancake loan with interest. Fifth brief. Overhead bin Tetris gets a referee. Boarding video shows travelers rearranging carry-ons to make space, crew steps in, restores the wheels in, handles out, peace. Cabin crew has final say on stowage. Follow airline instructions, don't touch other folks' bags. Ain't no DIY storage wars on row 23. If the bag got frequent flyer miles, let the pros park it. Handles out, drama in, period. Sixth brief. Resort golf cart shuttle, VIP or VRoom violation. Viral resort clip shows guests hopping golf carts between villas to beat the heat, driver reminds folks, seats only, no hanging off. Use only authorized shuttles, follow posted safety rules, buckle/hold on post staff guidance. This ain't fast and luxurious 12, sit down, smile, tip the driver. If your thigh meeting the fender, you already doing too much. Closing brief. Alright, crew, that's today's safe served tea. Book smart, laugh louder, and tip your housekeeper. For clean deals without the mess, slide once, breathtakinglagoon.com. Love. Rattles out. Peace.